Take a ride in the 2018 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4 airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.